Hello beautiful people, my name is Kazi Azmir and I am a freelance copywriter, and my intention for this video and upcoming videos is to make a free copywriting course step by step and part by part. This course is basically a full sales funnel copywriting course. Let me show you my little whiteboard over here. Alright, so as you can see, we have a simple sales funnel. Here we have a Facebook ad, a landing page, some indoctrination emails and sales emails, a sales page, and some sales follow-up welcome emails, you can say. And throughout our course, we will write copy for every step of our sales funnel using many copywriting formulas. Alright, in today's video, you and I will try to write a Facebook ad, and let's say a client clicked on a video description of mine, maybe on YouTube, and visited my legit.com profile and placed an order. He wants us to write a Facebook ad copy for his BMX shop, meaning we will be writing copy for a business that sells BMX bikes. Let's call this company Beijing BMX, and our client is offering a free guide to get his potential customers emails. Let's call this guide BMX Beginner's Guide. Now we will write a Facebook ad that will attract our potential customers to visit their lead generation page or landing page to download their free guide. So let's do this. Let's write some copy for their Facebook ad. Alright, we are going to write the copy on LibreOffice Writer. I think you can see my computer's screen. We are going to write the copy together, okay? So we'll be using AIDA copywriting formula for this project. As you know, AIDA stands for attention, interest, desire, and action. So first things first, let's write our ad title to grab the reader's attention. Let's write ad title. Let's make it bold. Let's write download your guide. Instant. Oops. Alright, so as you can see, our ad title is clean and clear, grabbing the reader's attention and calling them to the action. And I think the shorter the sentence, the better. Up next is our ad description. Let's write ad description. Let's write in this guide you will learn everything you ever needed to learn about starting with BMX. Alright, in this guide you will learn everything you ever needed to learn about starting with BMX. Okay, so our ad description is our I from AIDA, and that stands for interest. Our goal in this part is to make the copy interesting to the readers, so that the final action taking process gets easier for them. Alright, now it's time for the ad text.
We can write a long form copy for this, and we can keep the copy short as well. For this particular project, I'm writing a medium sales copy. Let's write our ad text. Add text. Let's write discover the fragrance of dot feel the roughness wind and enjoy the nature in the most epic way. Next line we can write something like learn BMX today with our free BMX beginners guide. And let's write what is inside the guide for our prospects or our readers. Take a look inside the guide. Alright, let's make it a bullet section. Chapter. You can use a emoji, a new emoji like tick emoji. I'm using bullets. Chapter 1, BMX tools you actually need. Chapter. Let's copy this so that it's easier for me to write next time. Alright. What? Oh. What is this? What is this? 2, 3. What is this? I don't know. What's there? Anyways, let's not make it difficult. Okay. Chapter 2, core of BMX tricks. Chapter 3, how to use BMX off-road. Chapter 4, how to manage dirt jumps. Chapter 5, best YouTube channels to learn BMX stunts. Alright, so okay, let's write the finishing. It's time to enjoy the beauty of nature. Right, let's finish this line. It's time to enjoy the beauty of nature in the best way possible. And let's finish the ad text with the call to action. Download the free guide today. Boom. And now it's time for our grand finale, and that is our final call to action. Let's write our ad CTA. Our ad CTA is simple. Let's write download now. Alright, simple, sweet, and on point. Alright, to recap, we wrote a Facebook ad for our client who ordered us on legit.com for his Beijing BMX shop. He wants to get qualified leads from this Facebook ad by offering a free guide that teaches people how to get started with BMX bikes. Alright, so we used AIDA copywriting formula for our Facebook ad copy. As you know, we started with our ad copy, and that grabs attention and motivate the readers to take action, and that is our ad title. Simple and sweet, download your guide instantly. And up next is our ad description, where we try to keep the readers interested so that they feel happy to click the call to action button at the end. After that, we have our ad text. This is our ad text. Okay, so we try to make as desirable to them as possible. We also wrote what's inside the guide right here, and then finally we finished our Facebook ad copy writing process with a clear and on point call to action, and that is download now.
Alright guys, we have completed our raw copywriting process. After this, we'll just go through the copy one more time to proofread it, and we'll also check the Facebook ads compliance policy so that the ad copy doesn't get rejected by Facebook, and then we'll just deliver the project to our client. Alright guys, thumbs if you learned something new today from this video, and definitely stay tuned, because with the grace of the Almighty, in the next video we'll learn how to write a landing page or a lead generation page. So make sure to subscribe, and until we meet next time, peace.